Hi, and welcome to part 2, which is creating the promotion documentation. You will notice in the directions, or the instructions, the first part we did was register. And then it tells you once you register, you can go in and edit the manual, which I will show you in just a little bit. Before you really want to start editing, or maybe not, you may want to go ahead and just do your organization up front. But you could just start collecting information and storing it away in a structure that mimics the organization of the manual. And in there you will see there's a folders for organizing, which you can click and download. I've already done that, and it's downloaded to my hard drive, and then I've moved the zip file out here that downloaded and restored it over here where you can actually see now that I've created a folder for structure. And it has manual document, eligibility documentation, letters of support, teaching and professional assignment, college and community service, scholarship, professional growth, and other performance criteria. As you go through and you start storing information or putting information into each one of these, you can also put the documentation of that information directly into these folders. The other thing you may decide is, because what you're going to want to do eventually is link the information that's in these folders, which you may do as PDF or PowerPoint, etc. You may want to link these folders directly into the manual using HTML tags, which I will be showing you in another section. So in order to get these live on the internet, one of the ways you can do that is you can go to the go use a free service, minimum file size, use something called Dropbox. Dropbox is an online tool for you to share things on the internet. And you'll notice here that I've actually started creating folders. You'll notice I've started creating some folders on here that I will actually use to share. So what I would then do is documentation, eligibility documentation, letters of support, and create a new folder, and this one will be number 4, and that is teaching and professional. And of course I want to spell things correctly, so let's go ahead and make that professional assignment, and you'll notice that it will put these in order that I want them, and I will be able to put information in here. So if I create a PDF or I create other types of files, I can then upload. You'll notice there is an upload button in each one of these. And once they're uploaded, you can then choose to share them. You would do that by going into finding the file and sharing it where it says see share link. So I can even do this whole folder and say share link. And when I do that, it creates this link directly to my Dropbox, which I can copy and eventually use in this manual. So the importance really of the folder for organization is to start collecting your items for your promotion manual and storing them to where they're in a logical place that will be directly related to what is here inside the promotion manual. And I'm actually going to sign in real quick and go ahead and log in. And you'll notice the login message. Now that I'm in here, I'm going to come in and go edit manual. And I'm going to go down here to a section, down to section 4, for instance, and you see it says promotion policy outline, innovation to teaching and learning. So I can then see that if I go in here to section 4, and there's innovation, teaching and learning, special projects, reassign time, and these things are in the same order right here, innovation, teaching and learning, other assessments and special projects, and reassign time. So actually I went too far. Let's go back up here, reassign time. So each one of these things has a specific place and a direct link. Worst case scenario, if you don't create the links, worst case scenario is you just turn in a thumb drive with these folders on it that we can actually go look at directly when reviewing your promotion exhibit. So this puts it all in electronic form. It may not be all web-based, but at least it's a small little electronic file, easy to manage, and hopefully easy to help you organize and get your files together. So I hope that's helpful to you, and thank you, and I guess next we get to go to the eligibility information. So thank you.